Sometimes I like quiet, sometimes I like light, sometimes I need space to feel just right. I see the world in my own way, and that's a gift every day. It's okay to be me, just the way I'm meant to be. I don't need to change a thing. I can laugh, I can sing. I'm a star you'll always see.
Yeah, my name is Onitololade Kumbi. I am a student of the Department of Special Education Unit, Learning Disability Unit. This is my first time coming. This program on autism is very important for, especially in my field as a special educator, because I deal mainly with students with autism and students with other forms of disabilities. This focuses on autism, which is very important to interacting with students, how to, deal with students who show tantrum, behavioral analysis, like today, right now, learning about how the behavior students exhibit during classes, how those behaviors can affect us and how we can make it easier for ourselves to attend to those behaviors. I'm able to get a better understanding of how to associate myself with students with autism, to better teach them, as I aspire to be a teacher in the field.
My name is Orire Jane Muse. Jane Muse, that's my name. Well, I've been following from the WhatsApp meetings that they have bi-monthly, but the physical program, this is my first attendance for the physical program. I'm expecting to learn better ways to raise my child. We've been learning a lot even from the WhatsApp meetings. So now is the time to put those things to practical use and also get more exposure on how to better the way I've been raising my child. I've been using some of the ideas they've given us on the different platforms, YouTube, WhatsApp, but now we get hands-on experience and I think that's working. It's going to assist me because going forward, there are some things that I have come to unlearn. I'm basically learning, unlearning and relearning. So some things that have not been working in the past, I know that, okay, there's a better way to do it. And I'm adopting better options, better alternatives than the ones I've been using before. Because before now, I used to really disagree and shout and try to enforce. But now I've learned that there are better ways to do it, while I'm still reinforcing expected behavior.
My name is Esther Oyefeso. I teach in the Department of Special Education in the University of Ibadan. And I work with children who have developmental disabilities, like autism and intellectual disability. So as a professional and someone who works with children, like regularly, the program has provided hands-on experience, not just theoretical concepts, but things that are practicable on how to manage behavior among children with developmental disabilities, especially autism. And it's key, the behavioral management is key to different aspects in the lives of children with autism. So, for example, I was speaking from the perspective of a therapist or a teacher. Even when there are learning goals to be achieved, the child is not calm enough, attentive enough, the goals will not be achieved. So it's not just, I'm seeing this beyond the scope of just managing behavior at home, for example. It's something that applies to every setting. And so that's one reason why this is a very beautiful outreach. For me, I've worked with children for several years and I've learned a couple of things by experience and by training. However, I hope to hone my skills, polish them a bit, especially with regards to, specifically with regards to replacing behaviors and practicable steps to manage behavior. So yes, I'm familiar with getting the antecedents, tracking the behavior, recording the behavior, consequences, reinforcement, and all of that. But some additional strategies to manage challenging behaviors among children with autism is one key thing I intend to gain from this training.
My name is and I'm a special educator. Yes, so I remember that before leaving home this morning, one of the things I thought to my heart is that whether the information they will give me here is something I knew before. But I believe that what I told myself is that, okay, I know that everything I'm going to get is just for one purpose, is to help children and parents who are living on the autism spectrum. So from now and from today and for the rest of the year, I'm going to be an advocate of the ABA therapy that we've learned today, and also to support as many parents and educators to also be a part of this information I got. I've not been trained particularly on ABA. I've not. It's just the one I learned we taught in class. That's just what I. So moving forward from here, from this program, what advice I'm going to give to educators specifically is the fact that they really need to learn more. They need to expand their horizon by attending workshops like this, and also learn reading and collaborating with all the special educators out there to know what is really happening and the more innovations that are coming up about children on the spectrum.
My name is Reverend Tope Ojo. My wife is Dr. Tope Ojo, the founder of Hope4AutismFamilies Foundation. The name of the foundation itself is Hope for Autism Families. All the hope that we have as humans is contained in God. The foundation itself is Christ-based, is Bible-based. Anybody that will reach out to autistic or special needs children of any form must have a heart of compassion, and that comes from godliness. Our expectation is big by the grace of God. This is the first physical outreach, and the turnout this morning is a proof that God has a hand in this. Most things start small, but even this smallness this morning is huge. So it shows that there is a very bright picture. But what concerns me primarily, which gives me a lot of hope, is because the attendance this morning is huge. It shows there are so many people in our society that have these needs in our midst, and they don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. That's one of the reasons why this foundation comes to my wife's heart, to come and help and give help and aid to people who are in this situation.
Sometimes I like quiet, sometimes I like light, sometimes I need space to feel just right. I see the world in my own way, and that's a gift every day. It's okay to be me, just